If you want to buy an OLED TV, then watch the video. In this video, I compared Samsung S95D versus S90F. So let's start this video. Firstly, display. Display type OLED. Panel type. Display size. Refresh rate. Display resolution. Display brightness. Video processor. Pixel density. Response time. Display colors. DCI P3 coverage. White balance. Color temperature. HDMI variable refresh rate. High frame rate. Auto low latency mode. Quick media switching. Consumer electronic control. Filmmaker mode. High gig. HDR formats. Next, design. Dimensions. Weight. Wall mount size. Special features. Tuners. Next, connectivity. HDMI ports. Wi-Fi version. Bluetooth version. USB ports. 3.5 mm audio jack. RJ45 ports. Next, audio. Speakers. HDMI ARC. HDMI EARC. Dolby Atmos. Dolby Digital AC3. Dolby AC4. Next, Smart TV and apps. TV platform. Version at launch. Operating system updates. AirPlay 2. Voice assistance. Social media. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.